empathy, some concern for him, maybe, you go mate, a totally different reaction. So what changed? It wasn't the situation that changed, the same thing happened. What changed was the story. No, it was the story. And the story affected how you felt, the emotions that you felt, and that affected how you acted. Now, what if we realise that that's how our brain works, that what we tend to do is we see or observe something, we then tell ourselves a story, and this happens so quickly we're almost not aware of doing it. Then we feel something, we feel an emotion, often negative, and then we act. And that action can be devastating if it's a really bad situation. But what if we told ourselves a different story? What if we put a positive spin on things? And the next time you feel upset, frustrated after seeing something, what if you found an equally valid story that fit the situation? Now, I know this is hard. Don't underestimate how hard this is to do. The stories we tell ourselves feel like the truth. But it can transform things. It can really change how you feel. It can take you from a weak state into a powerful state and help you make great decisions and great choices instead of reacting with possibly bad consequences and certainly some regret. So give it a go. That's Mind Bite Thursday. This is Campbell over and out. I'll talk to you next week. I look forward to that. See ya.